A sitting judge was arrested yesterday. His name is K.P. George. Back in 2019, he was sworn in as the first Fort Bend County judge in Texas, making history as the first Indian American to hold that office in one of the nation's most diverse and fastest growing counties. It was celebrated as a story of immigrant success, the American dream in action. He came from India, built a life here, won an election as a Democrat in 2018, and took the oath promising to serve the people faithfully. Fast forward to yesterday, March 20th, 2026, a Fort Bend County jury found that same man guilty on 2 counts of third-degree felony money laundering. Prosecutors proved that he illegally transferred about $46,500 from his campaign account, which was money donated by trusting Texans, straight to his personal accounts to cover expenses like a down payment on a house. And this wasn't a mistake. It was a deliberate laundering and misuse of public trust funds. Right there in the courtroom after the verdict, the judge ordered him to be handcuffed. Deputies placed those cuffs on a sitting judge and took him into custody. He posted a $10,000 bond per count and was let go temporarily. But make no mistake, he's staring at a 2 to 10 years in prison per felony count and fines up to $10,000 each. And under Texas law, this conviction means automatic removal from office after sentencing on June 16th. This is the same K.P. George, previously indicted for creating fake social media accounts to impersonate critics and post racist attacks against himself, all to play the victim and gain sympathy. His former chief of staff already pleaded guilty in related misdemeanor cases. The pattern of deception runs deep. Now, my personal take as someone who loves this country and believes in its promise, America is the greatest nation on earth because we offer opportunity to anyone willing to come here legally, work hard, follow our laws, and embrace our values. And stories like K.P. George's 2019 swearing in are inspiring. Proof that the American dream is real for immigrants who do it right. But when that same person betrays the oath they took, steals from donors, launders money for personal gain, and games the system with hoaxes, it spits in the face of every hard-working American, native-born, or immigrant who plays by the rules. We don't import corruption, and we don't reward betrayal. Loyalty to America means putting her laws and her people first. Always. And if you're in a position of power and you abuse it, you forfeit any claim to special treatment. The American dream isn't a get-out-of-jail-free card. That's why yesterday's scene, a judge in handcuffs, is so powerful. It's raw, it's real, and it's exactly what we need more of. When juries step up, when evidence wins over excuses, when even those who sit in judgment face judgment themselves, it sends a thunderous message to every corrupt official, every politician, every bureaucrat, that no one is above the law. Not because of your heritage, not because of your title, and not because you were the first. This is accountability in action. This restores trust in our system. This keeps America strong and true to her principles. But these have been my thoughts, not yours. Please place your comments below. Let us all know what you're thinking. I appreciate you watching, and you have a great day.